Good morning from Edmonton, Alberta, home of boxcars and one-eyed jacks. I'm just zooming in to tell you that we have a really great team for Alberta. Our teacher consultants we've added to our group. We have two consultants down in Calgary now. The reason for this quick message is that we are booking all of our family math nights. Boxcars is known for providing great hands-on math game nights for your families. It's a really great opportunity for you to build school community as well as help all your students and parents with math. So we are booking all of our family math nights in Edmonton. There's four of us that can facilitate them in person here in and around Edmonton. And I'm excited to let you know we have two in Calgary that can do family math nights in Calgary and area. If you're in a remoter area of Alberta, let us know. We can provide them virtually, and they are still hands-on. We can do them with cards, with dice, our dice trays, our shakers, anything you want, we can deliver. So contact me now. I am taking bookings from now all the way to the end of 2026, and I hope we can be part of building your school community. I look forward to hearing from you.